Okay everybody, here's a quick tutorial on how to create buy and sell limits using the MetaTrader app. Okay, right now I'm on MetaTrader 4. So in looking at this chart right here, so let's just say I want to create a buy limit if this currency reaches up to 1.14, let's say 1.14300. Okay, so I want to create a buy limit, so this order will be executed. Obviously I would anticipate, if I'm putting in a buy order, if it reaches here, that it will continue going up at least a couple hundred pips. So in this case I'm going to go ahead and create this limit. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the trade button up in the top right corner, and now I'm going to change it from market execution to buy limit. So of course you buy when you think that the price is going to go up, that the currency is going to go up, right? So here's where you can set your lot sizes. Okay, so make sure you use the proper lot sizes depending on how much money is in your account. And now I'm going to set where I want to buy it at. So I'll go to 1.14300 is the price that I want to buy it at. Now what I notice MetaTrader does sometimes is, if you notice, the place button is no longer lit, right? So it's not going to allow you to actually place this order. This seems to be some type of glitch. So whenever I experience that, I just go back up to where it says buy limit and I change it to buy stop. It's where it's practically the same thing. So I'll come in here and I'll go 1.14300. Now if you notice, there it is, the place button is now active and I can set it. So I can put a stop loss. Let's say I put a stop loss at 100 pips below that, 200, and I want to take profit at, let's just say 400 for example. Okay, so there it is. I want to create my buy order, and that's how you do it. Okay, and then I'll click the place button. So that trade will only be executed, let me go back here, that trade will only be executed if this currency goes up to 1.14300. That's the only time that trade will actually be executed. Okay, so just remember, whenever you're doing the trade and it's not a market execution, if you go to buy limit or sell limit and then you start to type in the letters and it's not allowing you to click the place button down below there, just change it to the other one, either the buy limit or the buy stop. All right, so that seems to be some type of glitch you may be experiencing on MetaTrader. It's not just you, I'm experiencing it too, but I don't make a big deal out of it. I just change, if it's buy limit and it's not working, I change it to buy stop, and vice versa. Same thing with sell limits and sell stops. All right, take care guys.